Set the phases to run. What's got you distraught? It's negative attention at best. But call it nothing. Maybe it's something a little bit. Maybe it's something to It's all about ascension, I guess. Don't put me to rest.
Where to get oil? Does anyone know?
Take a picture too. I can see you.
Next, how to distill oil. While crude oil can be extracted from the ground,
Fears, tell me fears, don't get me started. I can take little gray hair for every scare you share. Those aren't meant to bend.
Amelia! Were you even listening?
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home.
Don't leave me!
The bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.
Is that good?
yes? Amelia!
It's all about ascension, I guess. Don't put me to rest.
You could. We're filmed! Cleo! Emma! The water touched me. No! Conversation!